WELLCAMP.
100% exporting business is a professional manufacturer engaged in research, development, sales, and service of prefab house, container office, container dormitory, container classroom, container shop, container home, container hospital, container isolation room, steel structure, light steel villa, and portable toilet. Our team has over 17 years experiences in exporting prefab houses. Our office in Foshan City and factory in Zhaoqing City. More than 10,000 square meters production area. As a famous brand, WELLCAMP has successfully delivered many projects for owners like government, international joint venture, construction company, and charity organization in various fields, such as roads and bridges, military camps, oil sites, and emergency functions in Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Sudan, Mozambique, Congo, Mexico, India, Indonesia, Thailand, USA, Germany, and Japan. We took pride in achieving certificates of ISO 9001-2015, CE, etc. Additionally, our folding container house, a house can be set up in 4 minutes, and expandable container house, a house can expand into bigger space, are widely used as isolation room, container office, container shop, and relief housing, normally for emergency function, site office, accommodation, remote area villa, and clinic. Our flat pack container houses and detachable container houses are most modularized solution for container hotel, school, commercial streets, labor camp, and hospital. WELLCAMP is dedicated to developing environment-friendly products and improve living conditions. WELLCAMP, moving the world.